Hello girls. Today let's we see the topic introduction to computer. Already we discussed what I mean by computer and its origin. Okay. As I already discussed with you, so the computer is an electronic device. Okay. So it processing the input and it giving information as output. Okay. So here input means whatever we are typing in the keyboard. Okay, it is called input. Then it processing by using the central processing unit is called CPU. Okay, then after processing the data it is producing a given result. So the result is called information. That information produced by the computer are of many different type, like it may be a symbol or fact or object or any ideas. Okay, when you are giving some input, it is processing by using the central processing unit and finally giving a information. The information is called the output. So this is a picture. It show you how computers work. First the keyboard is there, through we are giving the input, and then second one CPU is there. Through the CPU the processing is going on, and finally third is the monitor. In the monitor we can see the information. The information produced by the computer can stored at any longer duration. A computer have a storage space, so we can take our information as a print. Okay, for future purpose. The printer is the output device. We can take the information as printout by using the printer machine, and there are so many storage devices are there. The auxiliary storage devices are disk, tape, and pen drive, memory card. There are so many storage devices are there. We can store the information for a longer duration, and you can delete the information when you want. So as I already told you, the computer is an electronic device. Okay, when you are giving some input, okay, it processing by using the CPU means central processing unit, and it produces a given output. So the output is the result. So the result is the information. We can take a printout of that information, and we can store in any storage devices. Okay, there are different kinds and size of computers are there. So next, characteristics of computer. Characteristics means features. Okay, computers have lot of features. Okay, first characteristics of computer is automatic. Yeah, the computer is an automatic electronic machine. For example, if you are giving a proper input correctly, then it carry on his work without any assistant. Okay, the computer can finish his work without any intervention. It automatically processing and manipulating, and finally it producing the desired result. When you are giving a correct input, it giving a correct output. That's why it is called an automatic machine. Okay, next one, speed. Everybody know how the computer is works. Everything do within a seconds in a computer. Okay, nowadays without computer nothing is going on. See this is a lockdown period. We are connecting through the computer networks, computers, androids. So computer is nowadays very important in our life. Computer is a very fast device. We can work through the computer day and night. Whenever we require, we can use a computer. Okay, using the computer we can send picture messages, PDF, letters, and everything within a second. Okay, but without computer it is not possible. So nowadays without computer nothing can perform, because in this period the computer usage is much increasing. Okay, online classes, homeworks, and many quiz, and so many things are conducting through the computer. Okay, we all know how important the computer is. The third characteristic is versatility. So the computers have large number of capacity. It perform so many tasks within a same time. Here versatility means the computer can perform a different types of work in a same time, completely without any intervention. Why computer is called versatility machine? Because nowadays the computer is used in all the field, okay, for a different purpose. Next one, power of remembering. We all know about the computer. Computer is not a human. Computers can store a data at any time for a long duration, okay. Any type of huge amount of data can have a capacity to store in the computer, because there are so many secondary devices are there, secondary storage devices are there. We can store the information in any secondary devices and we can recall it when required, okay. Next characteristics of computer is IQ. Here the computer have no IQ. Actually the IQ of the computer is 0, and it is not a magical device, because the computer is operated by the human being. Whatever the things are performed in the computer, the input is only given by the human, okay, then only the computer is processing and giving the result. If wrong input is given in the computer, the result also produced by the computer wrong. A computer cannot take any decisions without humans, okay. The computer is always depends upon the human being, even it have lot of features. The last feature of computer is no feeling. Yeah, everybody know computers have no feelings. It is just a machine. So the computers have no emotions, no feelings. It will not eat any food, anything. So finally, computer is not a human being. It is only a machine. Okay students, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.